Hi everybody, I hope you guys are doing great. आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र and this is an update that very soon we are going to start a series on options trading on YouTube where I'm going to take you from basics to advanced, right? So make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video and share it with as many as people. We are soon going to start with a option series. Well, now let us get started with our today's analysis. So guys, first of all, let us talk about Bank Nifty. Now, Bank Nifty has taken out its important resistance. As we were discussing yesterday, that both Nifty and Bank Nifty, they have turned very, very bullish. Bank Nifty was any which ways on the buy side. Nifty also turned bullish yesterday, but Bank Nifty has also taken out its nearest resistance, which is a very, very positive sign for the markets, right? And now we are going to have a look at a stock which should be in your positional trading. And the name of the stock is AU Small Finance Bank. So let's go head towards it. So guys, this is the chart of AU Small Finance Bank on a weekly time frame. If you see, this was a crucial resistance which has now been taken out on a weekly time frame with a very strong bullish momentum, and we are getting the nearest retracement as well as very nearby. If you see, the banking sector overall is bullish, and we have AU Small Finance Bank along with stocks like Bank of Baroda forming very, very good structure. So these are the stocks that we can look forward to for positional trading, and I have already added a initiating position in AU Small Finance, right? So my view may be biased towards it. So this is the understanding of AU Small Finance. I think I don't have to say much. This was a resistance tested once, twice, thrice, and then a breakout. You can expect very strong momentum. You can expect a good target of almost 2400. Now that's very, very bullish. But if you go on a monthly time frame also, the stock is breaking all the hurdles. So इसमें 2400 का टारगेट मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूं. ठीक है, we can have a different series on how we estimate the target, but this is my target on AU Small Finance Bank, right? This is the monthly time frame. So अभी तक मैंने छोटी पोजीशन ऐड की है. अगर इस मंथ के एंड तक if it gives a very, very strong closing, I am going to look forward to this stock for more position. So guys, now let's move forward to our stocks which are for intraday, right? If you see, this was a strong resistance which was taken out, and after this the stock gave a strong momentum, and today it was showing nothing but a small retracement or a pullback. So I'm assuming over here कि ये एक अच्छा ट्रेंड था, और इस पुलबैक में मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे स्टॉक में खरीदी करनी है, और खरीदने के लेवल रहेंगे 1992 और मेरा स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा इस स्विंग के नीचे. So this is my understanding on Larsen and Turbo. Now let's go to Cipla, which is on my short radar, right? Which is on my shorting radar. So guys, ये है Cipla on a daily time frame. अगर आप देखोगे, this was a very, very strong supply zone, and now the stock is spending some time over here. Just look at the red candles, right? Now I believe that these sellers, right, they are not gonna go for a losing over here. So what they are going to do is they are going to try to defend their position. तो हम जाएंगे 15 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम में और समझेंगे हम कहाँ इसको शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं. शॉर्ट करने के लिए आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, एक सपोर्ट ड्रॉ करना है जो बार बार टेस्ट हो चुका है. अगर आप देखोगे तो ये एक सपोर्ट है जो बार बार टेस्ट हो चुका है, ये एक स्विंग है, तो इस स्विंग के नीचे आपको बेचना है और यहाँ पे आप आपका स्टॉप लॉस रखोगे. वेरी सिंपल एंड सिंपला. लेट्स लुक फॉर अनदर स्टॉक विच इज एनटीपीसी. अगर ये स्टॉक भी अगर हम देखते हैं तो दिस स्टॉक इज ऑल्सो ऑन अ डेली टाइम फ्रेम लुकिंग फॉर good shorting opportunity. So NTPC has given a gap on the chart. So now what we are looking forward to is that there can be a gap filling on the chart, right? So we'll go to shorter time frame, which is something like 15 minutes time frame, to see what are the levels that we can look forward to. If you see, this was a support which was tested once, twice, thrice, and 4 times. So below this level, we want to short NTPC with this as our stop loss. Now, these are the stocks that we have for intraday tomorrow, right? We do not want to have too many stocks on our radar. Just because every day we share 4 stocks, it does not mean that every day we are going to do so. Today, the opportunities are going to be less in the markets because the markets have been trending today, right? And in trending market structures, we don't find good opportunities, right? Because we want the market to consolidate and then we want to take part in the bigger trend. Now, guys, let us have a look at all the stocks which we discussed yesterday, right? So if the analysis of yesterday's helped you, let me know in the chat box, right? So guys, the first stock that we discussed yesterday was IndusInd Bank, right? It broke out from this particular resistance, and look at the strong momentum this stock gave us. That's why I'm telling you, look at the chart on a daily time frame first, right? First, always look at the chart on a daily time frame. That's the best way to start. Another stock that we discussed was Glenmark, right? And I think Glenmark is also looking good for your positional trading also. Let's have a look at it. I'm not sure. We'll just have a look at it. So this was Glenmark, right? Again, let's go on a 5 minutes time frame. This stock, we were talking that, it's looking good for a breakout, correct? It broke out this particular resistance, which was discussed yesterday, right? And then again, a strong, swift momentum in our favor. Another stock that we discussed was Tata Chemicals, right? Again, swift momentum in this stock as well. If you see, the stock gave us our entry trigger at 957, right? As the level was discussed yesterday. Again, a strong momentum. Remember, here we are not talking about candle closing. We just want our levels to be triggered, right? And more on gap up, gap down stocks to be coming forward as we discuss, right? So going ahead, we'll be discussing more on gap up, gap down stocks as well. So this was our understanding of the market. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am trying my best to give you a lot of value. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and one more important thing, we are coming up with an option series. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it with as many as people as you can. With that note, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.